Hello everyone. In this video, I'll keep talking about property panel here under the Home tab. Click property here at the bottom. You're going to see transparency. From here, we can change the transparency value to make sure that the object have a certain transparency. Click the left icon. You're going to see three different options: by layer transparency, by block transparency, also transparency by value. Usually, we can change the transparency value by layer and by block. But if we want to change the transparency for some specific object, we may want to use transparency value to change that object. Now I have the rectangular and I filled it with hatch tool. Filled with the solid. Let's click it. Now I fill it with solid and color red. Now I want to change the transparency. Look at here, the transparency is 0. We can change the transparency here, but I want to do it from the property panel here. Click it and look at here. Make sure that you select the object first, and then go to property, find the transparency. Now it's 0. Type in the value 50. Hit enter. And look at here. The hatch editor is open. Hit escape key. Close the hatch editor. Now look at here. It didn't show the transparency. Also notice that at the bottom of the status bar, transparency display is off. Click it. Now the transparency is displayed. We can see the grid. You can see the grids behind the rectangle. If we don't have the transparency icon here, go to the red bottom corner here. Click the 3 dash line. Check the transparency. You are going to see the transparency display icon here. Now, let's change the transparency for this line. First, select this line. This line is set. Click it. Set the line weight 2.1. And go to the property panel here. Find the transparency. Click 0, change it to 50, hit enter. Now hit escape key. Notice that the light color is not as strong as before. Switch off. Look at here. It didn't show the transparency. Switch on. Now it shows the transparency. So you can change the transparency for your object during the drawing. Make sure that you select the object first and then go to property panel, find the transparency, change the transparency value. Thank you very much for watching.